Alright, so here I've got this pull request that I made. I just noticed something in the docs on, here I can show you actually on Babel.io. I was just reading through these and I saw these plugins and I thought, oh, that would be nice if plugins was linked to the plugins page just so people don't have to go there. Or like, especially for new people who are reading through these docs are like, what plugins are you talking about? They don't notice the link maybe. So yeah, just to link that up. And that's pretty easy to do, it's, yeah, there's not a whole lot of work involved in doing that. So I went to the Babel GitHub IO site, and this is the home page, and so I just went to index.html, and this is where it is. So you look for plugins, allow you, boom, right there. And then you click on this edit button. It'll pop you open into the editor and you can make the edit. So on this pull request, I got a comment from someone indicating that I could actually also change this capital L to a lowercase l, because that makes sense. So I'm going to say sure thing, and yeah, we're going to do that. But I don't want to have to pull this repo down just because I don't want to have to do that. So I'm going to show you how you could actually update the pull request just using the GitHub editor. So I'm going to go to my fork, which will be at my username, and I'm going to switch the branch to patch 1 and go to index.html. Patch 1 is the branch that that was created for me when I made this edit. So then I'll go ahead and click edit this file. I'll find plugins, and yep, there it is. I'll change the capital L to a lowercase l, and then I'll say change capital L to lowercase l. So there are a couple of things that I could do at this point. So I could either commit directly to the patch 1 branch, in which case this will, here, let's go back to my pull request. This will automatically be updated to have a second commit that'll be positioned right there. And like that would be fine, especially since when people go to merge your pull request, they have the opportunity to squash and merge, so they'll be able to squash all those commits into a single commit. And so yeah, like that should be just fine to do it that way. But I'm going to do it this way instead, just to show some more stuff. So I like to prefix things with PR slash. So I'm going to create a new branch called PR slash L lowercase l. And we'll propose the file change on my own repo. And I'm going to be making it off of the patch-1 branch. I'll create the pull request. It only has that one commit. Here I can double check that the thing changed properly. And then here I can merge this pull request that I created on my own fork to my own fork. And so I have the choice to create a merge commit, which I probably don't want to do if I want to reduce the number of commits. And I could also squash and merge, which is what I'm going to do. I could also rebase and merge, which would basically be like the same thing as if I just like added the commit directly to the branch in the first place. So I'm going to squash and merge, and I'll hit that. I can actually oh, you know what? I just realized I can't actually prevent yeah, like in the GitHub editor, you can't actually take two commits and squash them together yourself. But I bet that there's a way that we could do this differently. Let's see. Yeah, let's do this. So we'll confirm squash and merge here. I'll go ahead and delete that branch just because I like to clean things up. And I'm pretty sure we can create a new branch. Yeah, updating the patch 1, which is the source for this pull request. Yeah, there's no way I can just do that in the editor. But if I wanted to create a new branch that had both of those commits as a single commit, then I could, well, we'll just do that for the fun of it. Single commit, create a new branch there, and then I'm going to go to pull requests, make a new pull request, and I'll make it from my fork. The base branch will be single commit, and patch 1 will be that patch. And whoa, I think I may have messed something up. Ah, rats. Let's go back here and see what single commit. What's up with single commit? Thought I made it from the master branch. So, that's weird. Yeah, actually, to be honest, I'm not sure what's going on here, because I would expect that patch 1 is just one commit ahead of the single commit. But evidently that's not the case. If anybody watching knows what's going on, hey there, Book of Codes. Whoops, let's pause that. Yeah, that's kind of funny. I expected I'd be able to do that. Well, if you really want to get this down to a single commit, or a single, not commit, but yeah, single commit in the PR, then you actually will have to pull it down, which is unfortunate. Yeah, I can't think of any way, because you'd have to force push to the branch, and GitHub doesn't really, as far as I know, GitHub doesn't allow that. So, yeah, but that's updating a pull request, and it looks like it just got merged. Woohoo! Thanks! And we'll do celebration and thumbs up and all the positive emoji, and then delete the branch to clean ourselves up. And yeah, that's awesome. I think that's all for me, so I'll see y'all later.